Hey everyone, welcome to Finance Plus Investment. We're all about making smart money moves, and today we're diving deep into high-yield savings accounts. Let's be real, when it comes to your hard-earned cash, you deserve every bit of interest you can get. We're going to break down everything step by step so you can feel confident about maximizing your savings. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to open your own high-yield savings account and watch your money grow. Alright, so you're ready to make your money work harder for you, right? The first step is finding a high-yield savings account that actually lives up to its name. And trust me, not all savings accounts are created equal. We're talking about comparing rates from different banks and credit unions, including those online-only banks. Yeah, those exist, and they often have some of the best rates. Now, when you're comparing these rates, don't just look at the big flashy numbers. Pay close attention to the rate type. Is it a promotional rate that expires after a few months? Or is it a consistently strong rate? Next up, compounding frequency. This is how often the interest you earn is added back into your account, which then earns you even more interest. And of course, don't forget about those pesky minimum balance requirements. Some accounts might require you to keep a certain amount of money in there to earn the advertised APY. It's all about finding that sweet spot that aligns with your financial goals. So do your research, compare those numbers, and let's find you the best bang for your buck. Okay, so you've shopped around, you've compared rates, and now you've got a list of potential winners. But hold on, we're not done yet. Choosing the right financial institution is about more than just the numbers. It's about finding a place that aligns with your values and financial habits. Think about it. Do you prefer a traditional brick-and-mortar bank where you can walk in and talk to a teller face-to-face? Or are you all about that digital life, embracing the convenience of online banking? Don't forget to factor in those pesky fees. Some institutions might charge monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, or even inactivity fees if you don't use your account enough. And here's a big one. FDIC or NCUA insurance. This is crucial. You want to make sure your deposits are protected in case anything were to happen to the bank or credit union. Remember, choosing a financial institution is a personal decision. Take your time, weigh your options, and find a place that feels like the right fit for you and your money. Alright. You found the perfect high-yield savings account. You're ready to open it up and start earning that sweet, sweet interest. The application process is usually pretty straightforward, especially with those online banks. They've streamlined everything to make it super easy for you. Typically, you'll need to provide some basic personal information like your name, address, social security number, the usual suspects. They might ask you a few security questions just to verify your identity, which is totally normal. And hey, if you're thinking about opening a joint account with a partner or family member, most banks offer that option as well. Just make sure you have all the necessary information for both parties before you start filling out the application. Once you've submitted everything, the bank or credit union will review your application and hopefully give you the green light. Congratulations! Your high-yield savings account is officially open. Now let's get some money in there, shall we? The good news is, funding your new account is super easy, and there are a ton of different options to choose from. One of the most popular methods is an electronic transfer. You can link your existing checking account from another bank and transfer funds over electronically. Some banks even accept paper checks. You can simply mail in a check, or if you're feeling tech-savvy, use your bank's mobile app to deposit a check using your phone's camera. Speaking of mobile deposits, that's another super convenient way to fund your account. Just snap a picture of your check, follow the on-screen instructions, and boom, the money is deposited right into your account. Let's be real, managing your finances has never been easier thanks to the wonders of online banking and mobile apps. Once you've opened your high-yield savings account, take a few minutes to enroll in online banking and download the bank's app if they have one. Trust me, it'll make your life so much easier. With online banking, you can check your account balance, view transaction history, transfer funds between accounts, and even pay bills all from the comfort of your own home. And if you're on the go, the mobile app lets you do all of that right from your phone. No more waiting in line at the bank or being tied to your computer. Okay, this next one might not be the most exciting topic, but it's definitely important. We're talking about beneficiaries. A beneficiary is simply the person or people you designate to receive the funds in your account if something were to happen to you. It's a way to ensure that your money goes to the right place, even if you're not around to manage it yourself. Most banks make it super easy to designate beneficiaries. You can usually do it online through your account settings or by contacting customer service. Just provide the beneficiary's name, address, and social security number, and you're all set. Let's talk about security for a minute. Keeping your money safe and secure is a top priority, right? That's where account alerts come in. Most banks offer a variety of alerts that you can customize to your liking. You can set up alerts for things like deposits, withdrawals, low balances, or even suspicious activity. This way, you'll be notified immediately if there's anything unusual happening with your account, giving you time to react quickly and prevent any potential fraud. And while you're at it, consider opting for electronic statements instead of paper statements. Not only is it better for the environment, but it also reduces the risk of identity theft. Here's a pro tip to streamline your finances even further. Link your other bank accounts. Yep, you heard that right. Most high-yield savings accounts allow you to link external bank accounts, making it super easy to transfer funds back and forth. This can be a game changer if you're trying to reach a savings goal or simply want to keep your money organized in one central location. Plus, it can help you avoid those pesky overdraft fees if you ever need to quickly transfer money from your savings to your checking. We're almost at the finish line. You've opened your high-yield savings account, you've funded it, you've set up online banking, you're basically a financial pro at this point. But before we wrap things up, there's one last thing I want to emphasize. Make sure you understand and follow the account's rules. I know, reading through pages of fine print isn't exactly the most thrilling way to spend an afternoon. But trust me, it's important to know the ins and outs of your account to avoid any unexpected fees or surprises down the road. Pay attention to things like minimum balance requirements, transaction limits, and any potential fees associated with certain activities. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about opening a high-yield savings account and watching your money grow. We've covered a lot of ground today, from shopping around for the best rates to setting up account alerts and linking external accounts. Remember, even small changes to your savings habits can make a big difference over time. So, take what you've learned today, put it into action, and start maximizing your savings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks to help you achieve your financial goals.